Have a good day to all viewers, to my followers. Let's go and let's have this tour to my different sections in my classroom. Let's go! That's my teacher's corner. My reading corner. Lost and found stuff corner. I have also research section. My academic chart. My grading scale. Students' work, exams, portfolios, classworks, tests, quizzes inside folders, journals. Students are doing their reflection to these notebooks. Also classwork, behavioral chart, curriculum, syllabus, school rules, corporal punishment, procedures, class schedule, school calendar, students' quarterly grade, school evacuation procedure, plan, students' projects, peer group activities, teacher's desktop, our great teacher, the blooms. Okay friends, I have 4 activities in my class for this 2023. 2024 I will change my activities or styles, pedagogy. But this time, 2023, I have 4 activities in my class every session, and let's see this. Activity 1 is very simple. So again, social studies, we have 5 standards to observe and to accomplish. That's our goal every day, to my class every day. So civic, cultures, economics, geography, histories, and then I added students every day they have to create and make slogan. Alright, so that's my first activity. So while I am presenting the presentation about our topic, every day they have to listen very carefully, and after 20 minutes, 10 minutes instruction, then they have to start answering the following questions to activity 1. After activity 1, they will proceed to activity 2. It's comprehension. I have to give them the page and the number of their classworks. Each student have their book open, their textbook. Activity 3, they are going to work on reflections. They finish the 3 activities, they have the chance to join the activity 4. Okay, so we discussed about Burglary. What is burglary again? Anyone? Burglar or burglary?
Someone that breaks in.
Okay. So when you go inside the house, breaking the house, that's burglary by force. And how many people involved to Nixon's leadership to that burglary? How many? 5. Okay, page is given. I wrote it on the board. Okay class, time's up. Then we'll proceed to our next activity. Activity 3. Reflection. If anyone, or if you're done with your activity 3 or 1 to 3 activities, then you have the chance to join the challenge or game challenge activity 4. Anyone finish the activity? Boon, you're done? Alright, so we'll proceed now. You can proceed now to activity 4. So Boon now is here joining this game challenge, and he picked globe challenge, globe reading. Okay, Boon, I will count now 1 to 20, and if you can answer, you have 50 cents prize. All right, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
49 degrees north and 30 degrees east.
Alright, now you have this prize. Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat. Okay, let's give a big hand of applause to Boon.